Hello and welcome back, it's Rog here, and today I'm going to be cooking one of my all-time favourite desserts. It's a traditional lemon meringue pie. So delicious, you've got the sweetness, you've got the sharpness, it's got everything. You can have it with custard, cream, or just on its own. Before we start with the recipe, please take a minute, push that button down there and subscribe to my channel. That would be great, I would love it, and you might love it too. I've got hundreds of recipes, I'm sure there's one out there that you would like. So for this recipe we need 6 large egg yolks. We save the whites for the meringue topping. We're going to need the zest and the juice from 6 fresh lemons, 9 ounces of caster sugar, 2.5 ounces of corn flour, and we're going to need some water, about 16 fluid ounces altogether. We can make a start by zesting the lemons. God, this is a tricky old job, never mind. And once that's done, we can juice our 6 lemons. Then in a separate clean bowl we have our 6 egg yolks. To this we add the corn flour, and we're going to stir this corn flour in until we get a nice thick paste. Like this, nice and creamy. Then we can add the sugar to the paste, a little bit at a time. Keep it mixing all the time. Now if it gets a little bit thick, add a little bit of water, that'll be alright. Mix this down, and then in a pan on the hob we go with our 16 fluid ounces of water. To this we add our lemon juice and lemon zest and bring this to the boil. Once it's at a boiling point we take it off the heat, and then we can add our egg mixture. Slowly but surely, mixing all the time. If you have a bit of a problem, if you've got an electric whisk, you can use that. That'll do a good job as well, as long as you've got it all mixed together. And this delicious mixture is going to go in this homemade delicious pastry case. So we're going to pile this in. We're not going to make it actually reach the top. We're going to leave a little bit of a gap so we can pop on our meringue topping. So for the topping, for the meringue, we need 8 ounces of caster sugar, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, and of course we need our egg whites. I've got 6 egg whites here. Pop the egg whites into a really clean bowl. If you're not too sure, you can wipe it out with a little bit of vinegar. And we can do the same old story. Whisk away until we've got nice stiff peaks. And when you've got those stiff peaks, we can pop in our sugar. Just a little bit at a time. Mix this in, and then we can add our corn flour. In that goes. And then we're going to give this a final mix. Back to those stiff peaks, and then we're good to go. Pop this on top of our pie filling. Then of course guys, we got to level this all off. So we get a fork and we level it off right down to those edges, but try and leave a little bit of the crust showing around the edge. After all, we want to make this look really good, don't we? Just plop it up, make those little peaky bits come up. Oh, artistic. Then it's off to the oven. Gas mark 3 for about 20 minutes. Take it out and this is what you've got. Doesn't that look beautiful? I'm really proud of this pie. Now to cut a slice. Oh, nice and gently does it. It's looking good. Do you know what? It's soon going to be time for my taste test, and I can't wait. Oh wow, really delicious. Oh what? I'm crazy about this dessert. I would eat it every day if I had a chance. It's sweet, it's sharp, it's got a crust to it, it's really beautiful. Thanks so much for watching this latest video of mine. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.